Historically, grading assignments required instructors to open classes individually to see, at a glance, the outstanding or ungraded assignments that may require attention. With the release of Brightspace Quick Eval Dashboard, instructors are now able to capture in a central location the outstanding and ungraded assignments regardless of class or assignment type that may require attention or action. This tutorial video will guide you through the use case scenarios of how Brightspace Quick Eval can significantly decrease instructor grading and feedback turnaround time. One of the major distinguishing characteristics of the Quick Eval tool is that it is user-driven and not course-driven. Simply put, the tool reflects a user's outstanding assessments instead of a single class's outstanding assessments. Having a central location to retrieve and assess ungraded activities reduces an instructor's time spent navigating through individual courses and course tools in order to arrive at ungraded submissions. To access the Quick Eval tool, you will not navigate to a particular class. Instead, locate a link to the Quick Eval dashboard on your My Home page. Clicking on the Quick Eval tool will then display the Quick Eval dashboard, which shows you a list of ungraded and drafted assignments that may require your attention. Notice here that the dashboard is comprised of 4 columns: student name, activity name, course, and submission date. Clicking on any of these column headers will dynamically sort the data. Use the filter option to pare down the results by activity name, course, or submission date. And optionally, you can use the search field to search for ungraded submissions. Several icons appear on the Quick Eval dashboard. Icons that appear to the right of a student's name signify that an assessment has been graded in some capacity but has not yet been published to the student. Icons in the activity name column denote activity type. For example, quizzes are identified by a question mark symbol, while discussions are identified by a group of chat bubbles. To begin the assessment of a particular submission, simply click on the student's name. This action will route you to the particular assessment tool within a particular course. The student's submission will display on your screen, and from here you can continue in your normal grading workflow. Once you've completed the grading of a student submission, you can click Publish to release the grade and feedback to your students. Clicking Publish also removes this student submission from your Quick Eval dashboard. If you save grades and feedback for a student submission, this action does not remove that entry from your dashboard. Instead, this entry will now be marked as draft. Use the Return to Quick Eval link located in the top left-hand corner of your screen to return back to your Quick Eval dashboard and identify another ungraded assignment.